We're out here at the 2011 Hot Springs, Arkansas Mega Huckfest. And some of you might be wondering what exactly a Huckfest is. Well, the owner of Flying Giants originally lived in California. One of the terms that they used in motocross and things like that in California whenever they were doing a bunch of tricks and things like that on their dirt bike was to huck it, H-U-C-K. And so they started different kinds of events, and the word hook as in going big and going all out and things like that on your sporting equipment, whatever you're on, I guess. Kind of stuck to several other sports, and then it carried over to the RC aircraft sport, and they started different events called what they call the Huckfest, which is just basically, you know, everybody bringing their stuff out and pushing it. Over a few years progressed and turned into a huge nationwide series called the Huckfest. And so that's what the Huckfest is really all about. It's coming out and having a good time, kind of like what you've been seeing.
Hi, I'm Joe Smith. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Fort Wayne, Indiana. This is a 104-inch, 35% 3D Hobby Shop AJ Slick, designed by Andrew Jeske. I've been flying almost 3 years now.
Texas, and I'm 15. I've been flying for 5 years.
Hi, my name is John Jennings. I'm from Arlington, Texas, and I fly RC myself and have been flying since 1977. I introduced my son to the hobby, and he's been flying for about 5 years. This is his airplane. I do all of the building and assembling. The planes are pre-manufactured. They're called ARFs, almost ready to fly. Then you finish out the plane. It still takes about 50 to 60 hours of work to get everything in there. AeroWorks is the manufacturer of this airplane. We have a desert aircraft, 170cc engine with tuned pipes on it. We've got high voltage servos producing 480 inches of torque. We run Fromco battery packs, and it's a very high performance plane. And it's capable of flying very accurate for IMAC. It is also a very good freestyle plane. My son and I, we enjoy the hobby. We travel. We go to different competitions and 3D events like this one at this club. Hot Springs, this is my first time here. And what a wonderful club and wonderful people.
Bobby Siegel. I'm 11 years old and I'm from Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Madam Hicks from Little Rock, Arkansas. This is a AJ Slick 3D Hobby Shop. It's electric powered, runs on 4-cell LiPo batteries, Hacker motor. It's really quiet, it's very powerful.
Now go off the runway.
Hi, I'm Larry Holcomb. I'm president of the Hot Springs Radio Control Flying Club. I have beside me here Dave Mathewson. He's the executive director of the National Academy of Model Aeronautics, an organization with about 2,000 clubs and 120,000 members. Who that organization, the AMA, sets the standards that we fly by. They establish the safety requirements. They promote model aviation. They protect our interests with insurance for liability. So we've got quite a national backing and organization. Our club here has approximately 40 members. It varies up and down a little bit. We are at Cedar Glades Park, which is a county-owned park. We've been here for 13 years since they closed this landfill. We built our flying field on top of that closed landfill 13 years ago. Before the park ever existed, we provided the basis for the park that we've had here. Beautiful place. You couldn't ask for a nicer setting. We always invite the public to come out. We encourage anyone that's interested in aviation in any way to come out and participate in this. Lots of fun, good people involved in this.
Well, there's not a lot I can add to that, except AMA is based in Muncie, Indiana, and I'm their new executive director. I've been in office for about 4 months. Our president is here today, along with several of our district vice presidents, and we're here just to show support for Larry and the club and the great job they do representing model aviation.